50 bucks. How about 50 bucks and a 12-pack of Bud Light? Throw the Bud Light in the back.
There it goes, thunder,
Yep.
snow. I just wanted to catch that on the camera so everybody could see it's lightning and snowing at the same time.
Yes.
That's insane. Never seen that in my life
10-foot
until
drifts
now.
in town.
Unbelievable.
10-foot drifts in town. You gotta go home and put this on the YouTube, man.
Yep, I'm going to. This one's going on the YouTube for sure since we got the thunder or lightning in it. There's our lovely Shell station with nobody working.
Lights are on and
Lights are all on, nobody's home.
As usual.
Yeah, pretty normal around there. I don't know if I can look at these roads. I mean, I can't believe I'm like driving on this. Look at these drifts. Like, yeah, I'm driving down a tunnel right now. Honestly, don't think I've ever seen this much snow around here ever before in my lifetime.
This is a once-in-a-lifetime thing.
Yeah, this is definitely going to be the one that goes on to YouTube because I'm going to get the trailer park when we pull in there. We'll be able to see how much snow's coming up in the trailers and see this car on the side of the road. Maybe
This car that's here today and gone tomorrow.
Yeah. Yeah, there it is.
today,
Slightly
gone tomorrow.
stuck. Oh man, we're going to be slightly stuck in a minute. Holy. Whoa, somebody plowing there. Whoa, whoa. Where am I? Right about there. Jeepers. I can't even tell where I'm going.